Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Glen Ellyn, local and long distance movers near me. Moving over 1,000 miles from your current location is a long distance move. Anything less is a local move. This type of move requires special planning. Only professional movers with a lot of experience can achieve a successful long distance move because many things must be put in place to avoid delays and disappointments. We have highly trained movers and they handle your items with care, which prevents damage. Our insurance plans also cover the risk during the move. Our trucks are ideal for transporting items over long distances. They are spacious and well balanced. Our drivers are careful, but are fast in getting your belongings to you on time. As a result, you don't have to worry about any form of delay. 3 Movers provides the best local moving services in Glen Ellyn. Locals highly recommend us because of our standard moving services and our rates. Although we render the best local moving service, our services are affordable. We charge between $30 and $40 per hour. We have open communication systems with our clients and provide exceptional customer service. Locals enjoy the best service at cheap rates. Reach out to us for your local moves. We are fast, efficient, and very affordable. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Glen Ellyn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.